Are you planning of studying in Japan? Then the most recommended scholarship is MEXT, Japan's government scholarship. In this video, I'll walk you through each step of the MEXT embassy track in simple and clear way. This scholarship is for bachelor's, master's, and PhD. The embassy track is one of the two main ways to apply for the MEXT scholarship, the other being the university recommendation track. In the embassy track, you apply directly through the Japanese embassy in your home country. The process is a bit longer but worth it. Let's break down the process. First, every year around April or May, the Japanese embassy in your country releases the official MEXT announcement on their website. Your first step is to download the forms and carefully follow the instructions. Next, you submit the required documents such as your application form, academic transcripts, recommendation letters, etc. We will be discussing them in upcoming videos. Right now, focus on understanding the whole process of MEXT. After the initial screening of documents, shortlisted candidates are invited to appear for a written test. If you pass the written exam, you'll be invited for an interview at the embassy. This interview focuses on your academic background, motivation, interest in Japan, and future goals. Be honest, confident, and well prepared, especially about your research topic if you're applying for a graduate program. If you pass the interview, congratulations! You'll receive a provisional selection. This is not the final selection yet. At this stage, you'll be asked to contact Japanese universities and request them to issue an acceptance letter. You can contact up to 3 professors or departments. Once you receive at least one acceptance letter, you'll submit it to the embassy. Then, the embassy forwards your documents to MEXT in Japan for final screening and university placement. If you are officially selected by MEXT, you'll receive your final confirmation by January or February. You'll also get information about your university placement and visa process. Most MEXT scholars travel to Japan in October. The scholarship covers full tuition, a monthly stipend, round-trip airfare, and even Japanese language training if needed. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who are also applying. Don't forget to subscribe to Scholarship Hunt for more videos on scholarships, study plans, research proposals, and professor email guides. Good luck with your MEXT embassy track application.